Alright, so back at this basicness, alright? So basic 6-step, same step, we're gonna change it up in levels, okay? We're like, you can make something, whether it's a simple step, expand and come in, whether you're keeping it close to yourself or you're bringing it far. Okay? So remember, any step that you do, you can bring it in. 3-step. Everybody knows the 3-step. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom. If you're able to like mess around and kind of, you know, make it a little bit more dynamic, add a little bit of like, you know, pop to it. Don't just keep it simple and clean. Kind of just, you know, add something to it. It can be a simple kick out, a simple hop. You know, I tend to use my core a lot. I was taught like to use this for a lot of movements, and it's helped me a lot with controlling stuff. So I think I use it with everything, whether it's a 6-step, you know, 3-step, whatever. I use my core, so then when you use it a little bit stronger, you're able to like hold stuff. Boom. So remember, your core is gonna help you a lot with everything, whether it's a simple 6-step, boom, 3-step.